Okay, next we have a sick announcement from Aiden Bai. This guy is really like the best to do it in React. He's kind of like the new like Kent C. Dodds in a way. It's really hard to stop this guy from excelling. So essentially, he ran this company. He's run a bunch of companies, but what I know him for is Million.js, which was essentially the first version of like React performance. And then he also had React Scan, which would look at your website and it would tell you if you're re-rendering multiple times, which they used to fix GitHub and like optimize it a lot. Especially like the PR reviewer, I believe it was, would had like a ton of re-renders that were really trash. But essentially, recently they launched this new product called React Doctor, which you can use to scan your React code bases for anti-patterns, unnecessary use effects, etc. And you can see here, like it shows you all the errors. And they built a leaderboard for a bunch of popular open source projects to show like how well they're doing. Very interesting to see that none of them, even like TL Draw, which is like notorious for having like amazing developers, is only at 84 out of 100. So it would be interesting to see like how quickly they can get that up to 100. And I did check out the leaderboard recently and it didn't change that much. Maybe they're not the easiest fixes in the world, might be some refactors, but definitely sick. Like the idea of like, just drive your LLM to get your project to 100% on React Doctor and you'll probably have a very performant application.